This is the live games page that we had shown you all previously, and then now that we're making be a part of this VSN on demand site that we're building the new version of it that we've been building out. And so for the most part, we just have been doing the same things we already talked about and making sure that the playlists are all in order on Zype. And then we've also been making sure that then it's actually loading on here correctly. And there were some obstacles in that with the way that Zype's plugin was set up, but we've overcome most of those, and we're getting very near the end of that process. But we have the games one already set up all the way through all these different categories, and then the same thing should be the case for school shows and sports very soon. Doing it through games, now we already know how to do it. It should go a lot faster for the other ones. But we have the week one stuff here for 2018-2019. You can download the full schedule. But then if you're wanting to look at older games, then you can click on 2018, and then it loads up there all the games from then. 2017, same thing. 2016. Looks like somehow we have a problem in 2016. We'll figure out what that is, but in general, this is working fine. And so everything's there as we want to, and we just combined all the older years into one general category. And so then that way you can look at all these together. There aren't that many games from those older years, and so we didn't want to have separate links to all of them. That didn't seem like it was prudent. But we made this overall menu thing here a little different than before. Without the filtering, without having the two layers of filtering like had been there before, it really didn't quite make sense to do the same sort of drop down menu where you click on it to open it up sort of thing. And this seemed like it was a simpler, cleaner solution to be able to get to what people were actually wanting on these pages. And so we went with that, and hopefully that works well for you all. If you need to adjust it in some way, if you think it doesn't quite work in some way, you can let us know and we can change it up a little bit stylistically, or if the basic concept is somehow off, then we can talk about that more thoroughly as well. But it's coming along nicely, and it should be that we can finish up school shows and sports here within the next couple of days, and then we should be very close to ready to go on this. And hopefully then it's ready to go for this next week as the season's starting.